You're welcome to this our lesson. I am Kesiki, your guitar companion. Our lesson is on why rhythm is king. Most people choose solo. This is solo. The Lord has come and receive a king. This is solo. You are using solo to sing a song. It's not bad. It's wonderful. You put a lot of energy. But we are saying in this our lesson that although solo is wonderful, rhythm is the king. Now, when we are using solo to sing a song, we become too conscious. To the world, the Lord has come. Let earth receive a king. Let every heart prepare. It's very dry. Now, look at this. Joy to the world, the Lord has come. Let earth receive a king. The same song, but one we have used solo and the other one we have used rhythm. But if your rhythm is strong, even two simple chords will sound powerful. They will sound very powerful. So you can tap your feet, you can count, but when you are using just the solo to play a song, it 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 is like there's no flesh put in the song. But if solo is playing in the mix of other, like the bass guitar, now if solo comes in there and is playing, now the beauty will come out. But in a situation where you have just one guitar, I will advise that you go more for the rhythm, because the rhythm guitar, in the rhythm guitar there is bass, in the rhythm guitar there is solo. So that is why we are saying rhythm is the king. But in the solo there's no rhythm, and in bass there is no rhythm. It is so one, and it's looking so naked. Please subscribe for more of this our secret that you will never hear anywhere. So don't just practice playing a song as in one after the other, but please keep the rhythm. Because one challenge with playing just the solo is that once you make a mistake, which we are all human beings, if you make the mistake in following the melody, everything is confused. But you know what? I'm not saying you should be lazy, but when you are playing the rhythm and you miss even a key, it has a way of covering up. So in rhythm, there is solo. In rhythm, there is bass. In rhythm, there is everything. In rhythm, there is melody and everything. But in solo, it's lacking many things. To be on the safer side, subscribe so that you don't miss any of these our tips. I remain your favorite guitar companion, Kesiki. Subscribe, comment, like, and share. Thank you.